me fire, okay? First we practice. Tucker, you're gonna throw me the knife, I'm gonna catch the knife, I'm gonna juggle. You're gonna throw the knife over here, okay? No, don't. Nothing aggressive, okay? Yep. Nothing spinning. Okay. Nothing stabby, okay? Okay. Like this. Yep. Practice the leg. Like this. Tucker, are you ready? Yep. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? I think I'm ready. Are you ready? Yep. Throw me the knife. On 3. What are you doing, man? Calm down, Tucker. All right, look, we're going to do it again. Later, I have an idea. Look, Tucker, do you see the red carpet? I do. Good. Tucker, please catch. Good. Stand on the trap door. Unroll the carpet. Very dangerous. Are you ready? Give me a high five. Tucker, 1 step to me. Tiny step. Good. Put the carpet on the ground. And now, lie down. Take a video. Film it. Oh my God, you're so handsome.
That's €5.
Stay there, Tucker. Look, guys, can everybody come a little bit closer? You guys over here, the cars come that way. Everybody come closer. You guys in the back, come. Tucker, you look so comfortable. Just lie down, man. Everybody, come closer. Wait, I want to make sure. Yes. Good. Don't move. Tucker, you're so handsome. I know. Okay. Put your legs together. Close your eyes. Protect your most important organs. Your most important organs. What are you doing? Like this. Tucker! Do you want the new trick or the old trick?
I'll choose side.
I like the new one. Okay, go the new one? Give me a high five, man. No, normal high five. There you go. 3rd time. Everybody, this is the new trick. It's not over. Tucker, are you ready? Yeah. Good. Spread your legs. A little bit wider, man. I know, you don't hear it every day. Thanks, man. I like you, huh? Don't move. Part number 1. Put your legs together. Part number 2. All right. Are you filming? Good. All right. Are you scared?
A little bit.
Do you have children? Do you want children? One day. Don't be scared, man.
Okay.
I've only messed this trick up once before. Today is my 2nd attempt. After my 1st attempt, my brother became my sister. Don't move. Hey, wait, stop. That's not the trick. Part number 2. Are you scared now? A little bit. Don't be scared, man. Look, Tucker. Tucker, after the trick, you are going to throw me fire, okay? Yeah? I will stand over here. I will balance. You will throw me fire. Right. Are you guys ready? Yes! Let's do it. Now you guys stand over there. If you don't speak English, follow my hand. Stand on the line. Tucker, legs together. Good. Everybody. Everybody energy. It means clap. Everybody clap. Oh, no. 1, 2. I'm doing it. I'm gonna put the knife back. Hi, Tucker. Tucker, don't move. I'm gonna put the knife back. Tucker, close your eyes. Everybody, clap, 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 clap. Oh, wait, wrong side. Tucker, close your eyes. Everybody, clap, 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 clap. Tucker, open your eyes. Wait, it's not over. I found it. Everybody, clap, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3. Ah! You're alive! Tucker, you're gonna throw me fire! Oh, sorry, man. Yeah, man, sorry. Stand up! Hold the fire! Tucker, you're gonna throw me fire? I'm gonna balance over here. I'm gonna balance, you're gonna throw me fire. Is this high enough? What? It's not Netflix, you can talk to me. Is this high enough? Who said that? You try. Alright, fine. Do you want me to go higher? Maybe. Why did you say no then? Alright, if you want me to go higher, say yeah! Alright. Tucker, can you hold this? Hold the wood, Tucker. This side over here, buddy. Now hold the wood. Alright. Tucker, both hands. Like this. Alright, give me the fire, Tucker. Hold the wood. Like this. Tucker. Go. Stay there. Ladies and gentlemen. Bonus trick. On 3. Oh, Tucker. Bend your knees. On 3. 1. Tucker, look at me when I'm doing this. You look too happy about this. For the grand finale, balancing on this double stack balancing board. Balancing, juggling, risking my life for your entertainment. I love you. I love you too, man. All right, Tucker, you ready? Yep. All right, good. I'm scared. Everybody, are you ready? Yeah. All right, good. Tucker, hold it tight. Hold the wood really tight. Yep. Hold the wood really, really tight. Like you did last night. Really tight, man. What the hell are you doing? Help me. All right, wait, plan B. Let go. Look in front. Yeah. Smile. Wait. Tucker, twerk. Tucker. Twerk for the people in the back. I'm so sorry, guys. I saw the camera. He doesn't want to do it. I'm so sorry. Next time. Tucker, come closer. Yeah, look in front. Legs together. Smile. All right, Tucker. Yep. Are you ready? Ready. Yes. Tucker, are you happy I chose you? Yes. Tucker, are you going to give me 50 euros at the end of the show? It's up and down. We're not in India. Up and down. Wait, you're American, right? Yep. $100. Stop shaking, man. Wait, do you have cash? Hold it. Look, guys, I want to say one thing. This is a street show, but no cash, it's okay. No cash, no problem. This show is for everybody. And look, man, don't worry. I have a QR code. It's real. Euro. Don't worry. Don't sign. I also have Revolut. Thank you. I'm expecting a lot of money. Thank you. I also have a master's degree. One person, thank you. 5 years studying, and look what I'm doing. All I can do is this. It's the most expensive trick in my show. All right, fine. Don't let me down. Everybody, Tucker, this is the fire you're gonna throw me, okay? Yep. All right. Woo! Hey, look, one more thing. I'm gonna lose my voice. Can I ask, can everybody come a little bit closer for the last 2 minutes of the show? You don't move. Everybody, come a little bit closer. I don't want to lose my voice. Thank you. All right. Climbing to the top. All right. Guys, are you ready? Can you guys come closer? There's a gap over there. Come a little bit closer. Thanks, guys. Are you happy? Yes. Are you having fun? Yes. Did you like my show? Yes. Thanks, guys. Look, I'm 27 years old. I studied business. No. I never wanted to study business. I've always wanted to be an artist. So for 5 years, every night after school, I came home by myself. It was lonely. But I practiced. This is my art. Do you like it? Yes. All right. Are you ready? Yep. Look, all of my friends, they're all bankers, they're accountants, they're consultants, and I work on the street. You sound like my parents. Look, guys, I do this because I can, not because I have to. I love what I do. I bring people together, I make them happy. Have I made you happy? Yes! You want to see the grand finale? Yes! All right, Tucker, are you ready? Yep. Tucker, let go. Tucker, give me head. Go ahead. Sorry, go ahead. I like you laugh. Tucker, don't move. All right. Everybody, on 3, everybody clap. 1, 2, 3. Wait, sorry. When I get to the top, Tucker, don't move. Shut up. Why are you laughing? I'm scared. Tucker, give me your hand. It's so soft. Tucker, you're so pretty. Tucker, wait. Do a turn. Do a twirl. Tucker. Get the fire, man. You're going to throw me the fire, okay? First we practice, okay? Stand over there. Throw over here on 3 like this. Hiya! Practice the sound effect. Hiya! Slightly masculine. Hiya! I like it, man. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty good. Can I trust you with fire? Yep. Can you put that on the ground? Catch the lighter. Light the fire. Take your time, but hurry. Yeah, good. All right, Tucker, throw me the lighter. Scary. All right, over here on 3, like this. Actually, catch this. Light the fire. All right, throw me the fire. All right. Second one over here on 3. Guys, if I catch this, everybody clap. Not for me, but for Tucker. You're amazing, man. Thanks a lot. You ready, bro? Yep. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right, Tucker. The last one is the most dangerous. You will throw, I will juggle. All right? You're going to throw into my right hand. This is my right hand. Not here. Not there. No. You throw here, I have 2. Are you ready? Yep. Are you guys ready? Yes. Are you happy?
Yes!
Did you like the show?
Yes!
Then support the show. Thank you. Support the things you like. Look, Tucker, light the fire. Guys, I'm a busker. No one pays me to be here. Not the Easter Market, not the museum. The only people who could pay for the show are the amazing audience who've enjoyed the show. You're very quiet now. Did you like the show?
Yes!
Then support the show. Thank you. If you don't know how much to give, people ask how much. I think €5. It's 100 Czech crowns. It's good. €5, 100 Czech crowns is good. 200 Czech crowns, €10. Wow. I'm happy. If you give me €20, I go home very, very happy. If you give me €50, I go home with you. I make you very happy. I'm joking, I don't do that anymore. Tucker, wait, I'm hot. I'm really hot.
Oh my God.
All right, guys. Guys, it's the grand finale. Are you ready?
Yes!
Look, it's the grand. I need everybody. Everybody, are you ready?
Yes!
Everybody, energy.
Clap, 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 clap.
Louder. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Tucker, turn around, take it down. Everybody clap for Tucker. All right, man, you can go back. Thanks a lot, buddy. I love you. Guys, you want to see a trick? Say yeah. All right, watch. 2 in the air at the same time. 2 in the air. Watch this. 1. Everybody, clap, 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 clap. 1, 2. Come on! All right, guys, wait. This is my QR code. Everybody, one more trick. Everybody clap. Everybody clap. Clap. Thank you very much. That's my show. You like the show? My heart. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much. Ta-da! Hey, 100 from a kid. Thank you. High five. You're awesome, Czech. Byli jste super. Děkuju moc všem. Byli jste super. Děkuju. Thank you very much, everybody. High five. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, buddy. High five. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, thank you, Big Mots. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. High five. Thank you. Of course. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. High five. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, of course. Thank you so much. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. High five. Big Mots. High five. High five. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, man. Thanks, man. Respect. Thanks a lot. High five.
لا نفس الكلام نفس هذا
Thank you. High five. Thank you so much. Thanks, guys. You guys are great. Thank you. High five. Ooh, thanks, man. Hey, thanks a lot. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Yeah, all good.
Thank you so much, everybody. I'm still here. You can still give me money. I like money.